Hello, in today's video I'm gonna give you my review of my new cool LED modern light. The light comes with this top part, and here you have cables where you can adjust the length of them. 3 rings. This is adapter for attaching the power, and the light comes with the plate which I already attached to my ceiling. I bought this light from Amazon warehouse, so the only thing that it came with is this instruction. There's really not much, and I got this connection thing and some screws, not much. So as you can see, I've already pulled the wires on this side. Now on this side, right, you cannot see anything, so all I have to do is just push the wires from the bottom to adjust it, and then later if they are gonna be too long, all you do is you have to just push this button and then you can pull them out. Sometimes it's not easy to do, but there you go. See, now you can easily move it in and out. So that's how you adjust it. So I'm gonna mount it, adjust it to the way I want it, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. So the light looks pretty good after installation. It took me probably maybe 15 minutes. You cannot change the color of the light. It is 6000 kelvins. You can change the direction of the specific rings by putting on those strings on the top. I like it this way, so I'm gonna leave it. If I get bored, you can always adjust it. The light is about 50 something watts power equivalent. It's bright enough. I like it in the living room. It doesn't feel too small. I think it's just perfect size for this living room, and I have 2 lights now. It is just perfect. And the way I found those lights is by shopping on Amazon warehouse. Those lights were open box. Somebody ordered it, returned it. I took advantage of it. It's exactly what I wanted. Fits perfectly in my room. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching again. Goodbye.